Hey, wipe a nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start busting, make the house shake. Fuck nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Your eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Bucket, nigga keep sipping. Dirty AK with the beam on it. Flip so long like a lean on it. Free my nigga like a high ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Back take down when the pen ain't much a fuck.
I want to ask you guys a serious note. It might echo in here, so I do apologize. Do you like hearing me talk? Like, do you like commentary from me? Like, just like longs, like, you know, talking or whatnot? Because, like, I want to make my vlogs a little bit longer, but, like, I feel like I'm kind of boring in a sense. I'm not boring, but I'm not like, I'm not going to hype it up and like do jumping jacks and all that other shenanigans either. So I'm trying to figure out like a good balance for me to be like I'm excited, but I'm just chill, you know, chill. And like some people do like chill vlogs, like don't get me wrong. I heard a lot of people do that. Like that's my preference. Like I like a little bit of both, so a little bit of hype, a little bit of not. So I took off the wig. I just wasn't feeling it. You know, sometimes you in these days, like you want to do natural. And since my hair is such a enormous long length and stuff, it's ridiculous. And I did it myself. So when I say did it, not like the do, but straightening out and all the other stuff. The girl that I usually go to, she is booked for the whole month of April, and it's not even April, it's still March while I'm filming. So it's like, your girl got to do what your girl got to do. So I took the initiative and I, you know, slicked back everything, and I had to brush all these curls out, all the kinks, and I got that done. And I tried to do some baby hairs, but like, yeah, I'm doing good to like get my hair done at this age. Like baby hairs is another step. So I'm please don't judge me about my baby hairs. Sorry, not sorry, but yeah. But it's really chill. And like, I know this tree wasn't here earlier, but I did pull it so I could do a photo shoot. I feel so bad. I really do. I feel awful, but it's fake anyway, so it's really heavy. But I gotta take some more pictures. I'm not like rushing anything because it's like, it's chill now. But, well, I gotta keep that on, and I'm gonna ask somebody to take my picture too. Of course, when I put my eyeball on. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, there, I'm back. Okay, so anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so here's I guess you could say it's a modeling tip or Instagram tip or whatever. If you want to, like, if you don't have a tripod, like I have my tripod today, but I brought my little small one here. If you don't have one, or you want like a really good, you know, picture and you're in a different place, ask someone to take your picture. Just ask. Like, usually people are like really nice and like, yeah, I'll take a picture and stuff, because like, you know, I do all these things solo dolo, and a lot of the times like I'm by myself. That's what solo means. But yeah, just ask someone to take your picture, and usually, you know, 10 out of 10, I don't want to say 9 times out of 10, it's like usually 10 out of 10 if you ask really nicely and they're not busy, like they take your photo and stuff. And like, and somebody may not be the best photographer, or you may run into a photographer that's really good, you know. I've had that happen before. I usually these kids, okay, I usually set up a shot first and be like, okay, can you please take it this angle and at this height, and voila, it usually gets done. So I'm usually satisfied. But yeah, so I'm going to chill out for a little bit. And like I said, let me know in the comments too, um, if you can hear me. There's a lot of splashing. Let me know in the comments too, if you want to like see more, you know, me talking and just interacting with you guys and just having a chit chat. So, all right, let me go for the tsunami comes.
Guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz, but bit on the verge. Let's slow it down like river on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word, I'm back on the block like I'm laying on the street. I'm trying to stop lying like I'm Rob, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche, Lupe, cool as the unthaw, but I still feel possessed.
So I'm doing my vlog here. I hear it alright. It's so pretty. And I'm down. So pretty. I just love it here. I was supposed to meet with my friend, but she almost died today. And I was like, please don't die. That's all I just said, please don't die, bitch. Like, you can come another time. But I was like, it's really good to take pictures and stuff like that, you know. Just be really funny and stuff. But I've had a great birthday. Had some bumps in a row. Because, like, my mom was supposed to take me out. And, like, with Kyra, you know Kyra. Everybody knows Kyra. She's always in my vlog. And just go from there. And just, like, wrap up the weekend and stuff. Because, like, I got lots of work to do. Lots of work to do. So, as usual. It's always something. Anyway. So, I'll chat with you once I get my food off. And I might change the seating because, like, it's actually, like, sunny over here. See the sun? So I might just switch over there. Get a better profile view, you know what I mean? This is much better. Look. Like a whole new woman over here. Crazy. A different, like to, like, different, like, places and stuff. For my birthday, but everything's been like really chill and whatnot. She'd be like, how old are you? I'm like, you're not telling me my age. That's rude. And these are my nails. So these are from Sally. No, they're not Sally Hinton, sorry. They're Kiss nails. These are Kiss. And all of them popped off. So they're not like durable like the other ones are. And I don't like the square. You see how like they're square? I did file one of them. This is the only one that has like not. Can you focus please? Yeah. So this is the one that has not like popped off. But all the ones that are flared out like this, they're like brand new. I hate the flare. So I didn't have time to really like go down and like shave and chop them up like I usually do. This is so pretty here. I wish my friend was here because I would have like more like stuff to talk about and stuff, but like I don't. But she's fine. I did check up on her and she's okay, so thank God. Cause like I was like, please don't die on my birthday. And she's really good. She's really good. And like when you come to places like this, you're basically just coming from like the ambiance, really. That's all it is. You're just paying for all of this. All of it. So it looks really good. It looks really good for the camera. Oh, here's my stuff coming. Here are my drinks. Oh, thank you. It's so beautiful. That was quick. Okay, so I got the shaved vegetables. So it has pecans, apple cider vinegar, thank you, and arugula, mixed greens, baby greens, and carrots. I love carrots, especially like the colorful kind. So I got that, and I got a peach Bellini here. It looks so cute with my nails. I love it. So I'm gonna dine in, and I'll be right back. You did not get me anything. Oh, thank you. This is the cutest thing. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I got a cookie, guys. I got a cookie, guys. Thank you. I was shocked. I didn't expect to get it a cookie with a candle. Let me make a wish. Yay! So I got a cookie. Really good. Sea salt. Oh my god, it tastes like the cookies from Starbucks. Which I do not need right now. I got a cookie. When I get my apartment, I'm gonna have all this art up here. This is, ooh, so beautiful. I love it. Oh my god, it'd be so cool. I have a bed set like this in an office. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Y'all, wait, this is so cool. You got to get off. This is just so entertaining.
Katie said she was happy with hers. She got like
You said it smelled like what?
peanut butter. No.
No, it does. It kind of.
Okay. So not.
No, you're not that
really
crazy. That was good. I want to know. Give me a little bit more. Give me. Hold on. Let me get my glass out.
Report it or it didn't happen.
Closer, I cannot reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13.
She said no. She said no. I'm like, oh my god. Yeah. Thank you.